All right, with March Madness underway, you may be staying up later to catch some of those games. So we're here with secrets to better sleep for Sleep Awareness Week. And if your bedtime soundtrack includes the sound of a snoring partner, you don't want to miss this. Snoring is actually caused by obstruction in the airways, but it can also be a sign of sleep apnea, a condition where a person actually stops breathing up to hundreds of times every night. CPAP machines work wonders, but they can feel pretty intrusive. Doctors now say there are other treatment options, so don't let that keep you from getting it checked out.
People can develop problems like increased stroke risk, arrhythmias, heart failure. It can worsen reflux, diabetes. There's the whole laundry list of medical problems that can be associated with untreated obstructive sleep apnea.
And when it comes to regular snoring, sleeping on your side, having a good supportive pillow, avoiding alcohol before bed, and keeping the room cool can all help make for a more silent night. And we need that.